Hello everyone, my name is Roshan Suhail and welcome back to my new video. Into the Marketplace, a beginner's guide to Amazon FBA Wholesale, part 1. Today we are keeping it super simple. I'm gonna walk you through all the main business models on Amazon.com. That's the US marketplace, and by the end you'll know which lane actually fits you. So, what are the models on Amazon.com? You'll hear these a lot: dropshipping, private label, FBA wholesale, FBM wholesale, online arbitrage, affiliate marketing. I'll break each one of these into plain words, tell you the basic risk level and where it makes the sense. Private label. Private label is launching your own brand, your own store in Amazon. You buy the products at bulk from Alibaba or any other wholesaler and send it to Amazon as your own brand under your own trademark. FBA wholesale is selling something that is already listed, while private label, you list something. Wholesaler would always sell something that has already been listed. FBM wholesale, that is similar to FBA wholesale. The only difference is that in FBA wholesale, Amazon takes care of all the shipments and other facilities. In FBM wholesale, you have to have your own warehouse and you have to deliver it yourself. Of course, in FBM wholesale, you don't have to pay the delivery and other fees to Amazon. Dropshipping is getting an order for a product. Once you have received the payment, you then buy that product from the supplier and deliver it to the customer. This is the least risky option, as you don't have to spend anything of your own. Online arbitrage, that's similar to FBA wholesale, only it's for the lower quantity, like 15 to 20 pieces. So you could buy this on retail, but when you do that, you get higher prices, and for that reason you have to sell it for higher as well. Affiliate marketing is marketing someone's product. You get a customized link, and anyone who buys from that link will give you a cut of your sale. Now, let me give you a quick example to make it real. Imagine a popular branded coffee already selling well on Amazon as FBA wholesale. I'd reach out to an authorized distributor or the brand itself, open an account there, get a price list, and run the numbers. By numbers, I mean Amazon fees, shipments to FBA, return on investments, margins, competition count, buy box rotations, etc. If it clears my target, I place a test order first, ship to Amazon and monitor. If it sells steady, that's replenishable. I reorder, scale, and move on to the next SKU. Okay, so that's it for part 1. We just mapped the whole battlefield. In part 2, we'll go deep into product hunting. Thank you. See you there.